Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. Second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. The first one I have solved the binary. We have here the killer Sudoku, and now I will continue with solving the medium Sudoku, and this will be number 3530. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 printed digits. That means if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so in the last row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column? So the column between the second column, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there, and only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Okay. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Okay. Alright. Still cannot continue with the 4. Let me pick another digit. How about we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. You have a 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Okay, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. Yeah. We have a 4 and a 9 in the first column. 4 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 9 should be in those 3 boxes. 4 and a 9. We see here 4 and a 9 in this third row. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and a 4. All right. All right. 4, 4. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, so we have a 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. All right. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. All right. Then. How about? Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. It's a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the third column. Here we have 9 and a 4. So this box should be 1. The 2 is missing. Yes, the 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4. And the 5 is missing, 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Here should be also 3 and the 5 in this row, but we have a 5 here in this big square, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 3. All right, 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. One box left in the third row. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing, 2 and a 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. Sorry, in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. One box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. All right. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. One number left in the last column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, and 3 are missing. 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow! I'm faster than 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. See you then. Bye bye for now.